Arrive in style with this 2010 Ford F-150. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are flex fuel, driver lumbar, passenger vanity mirror, power driver mirror, cruise control, front floor mats, and power mirrors. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.